Here's everything you need to know about Soft99's Authentic Premium. If car care is your passion and you strive for the full automotive experience, Authentic Premium is the wax for you. It's the highest quality grade of natural Carnauba wax, which forms the basis of the Authentic Premium formula. An ultra-soft applicator made of beauty industry-grade sponge comes included with the wax. Its ergonomic shape ensures a secure grip. Make sure to work on the paint with the white side, and remember, you won't find this applicator in any other wax from Soft99. Take a closer look at the top of the can. We've included a multi-tool there to help you work with precision. It's helpful at removing excess wax from crevices and hard-to-reach areas. Authentic Premium forgives all mistakes, and its application requires neither effort nor experience. Just get started. When to polish the wax? Get started when white haze becomes visible, but there's no rush. Removing the residue is a mere formality and will not cause any trouble, even after several minutes. When is the best time to use Authentic Premium? Thanks to its durability of up to 4 weeks, summer seems perfect, but for those who enjoy waxing, this is definitely a year-round option. We hope you liked our How to Apply video. For more, check out our social media channels.